Hi, in this video, we'll download and install QGIS. Let's Google QGIS. When you type in QGIS, a QGIS website comes, and then a download option comes. Download for Windows and Mac and other operating systems. So for now, since my operating system is Windows, I'll go to Windows and check my operation system bit. Mine is 64-bit, so I'll go and download that. Now my download is on progress. So once the download is complete, I can double click the downloaded file to install QGIS on my machine. Let me double click QGIS setup. So let's start installation. The installation process takes a little bit of time, so you have to be patient. Now installation is on progress. Welcome to QGIS. Then I'll hit next. I'll agree with the default. Here's a directory file where I would save QGIS program files. Usually I'll check the data that comes with QGIS and click install. Now installation is on progress. Have to be a little bit patient. Once the installation is complete, I'll go ahead and then start a new QGIS Windows. Before that, let's wait the installation process. Once the QGIS installation is complete, you can start a new QGIS session. If you open QGIS, you'll find a platform and interface like this. The QGIS interface has various sections. The first one is the map canvas at the center. This is where you visualize your data, your spatial data, be it a raster or a vector data. And the next one is the layers panel. Once you add GIS layers, be it a vector or raster data, you can see those layers on the layers panel. You can check out and check in, or you can drag up and down to change their overlay in the map canvas. You also have toolbars, a list of toolbars at the top here. For example, you have here save button, zoom in and zoom out, and various toolbars which help you to visualize and analyze your spatial data. You also have a menu at the top, including project, edit, view, layers, and etc. This will help you visualize and analyze your data. For example, including importing your data. For example, layers, if you click on the layers, you have a list of items that can help you add in, import, and analyze layers. And the last thing is the status bar at the bottom. At the status bar, you can see the scale of your data, your GIS data, and also the coordinate system that you have for your current data.